never done this before. What's up, guys? Thank you for watching another video. Thank you for watching today's video. We're on our way to LA. We're actually about to enter downtown LA. We're meeting up with the homie John Higgs. John Higgs actually got his first supercar, bought his very first supercar, and he's about to show me it, pretty much reveal it to me. I think I'm the first person to see it, so I'm pretty excited. And it's honestly insane. John Higgs, he's a longtime friend of mine. You guys have seen him plenty of times in the videos. He gave me a BMX bike. He actually is the one that got me into vlogging. Kind of got me into starting a vlog. I didn't even have a vlog camera, and he was like, go out, buy this camera, and start making videos. So honestly, everybody go thank him for helping me start a vlog. But anyways, we're gonna meet up with him today. I was gonna put it in the same vlog, but he's not revealing it yet. So I have to start a whole new video and not reveal it yet until he's ready to reveal on his channel. So it's freaking insane. Like, since the day I met him, he said he wanted this car. Like, this is his dream car, and he finally made it happen. I don't know, it's just super inspiring. Maybe next is me to get a supercar, but we'll see. For those of you that don't know, Hicks actually had an E92 M3 just like mine, but his E92 actually got stolen from downtown LA one day, which is such a horrible thing to hear. But everything happens for a reason, and now he's in a supercar, so I guess there's nothing to complain about. Oh my god, I think I see it, guys.
What's up, motherfucker?
There's no way. There's no way.
Let's get the fuck out of here.
Please, there's so many cops and chaos.
Cops and people. Let's go. Just follow me.
Okay, I'll follow you. There's no way. I don't believe it. There's no fucking way, Hicks. You guys, Hicks really did it. He really bought his first supercar. That thing is so fire. Hicks, this car is gonna get you in so much trouble, bro. Hicks bought an Audi R8. I don't know what year it is, but it looks very new. It's probably 2019, I'm guessing. V10. I don't remember downtown LA being this crazy. Oh my god. We got everybody out here hype. Hey! Oh my god, dude. You watch my videos or what? You watch my videos or what?
Yeah.
Oh shit! That's freaking crazy. I don't believe it, Hicks. Guys, I don't believe it. I don't believe it. Alright, we found the parking. By the way, I got new wheels. Well, they're Trev's wheels. You guys have probably seen the video already, but we tried Trev's wheels on. And they look freaking good. Trev, I was so careful with parking. It took me like 10 minutes to get into the spot because I don't want to mess up your wheels. We about to get in there. Oh, shit. Bro, there's no way, Hicks. I don't believe it. Oh my god, dude. Can I get in? I don't even know how to freaking get in. Where's the door handle? Woo! Dude, you got the red guts?
Red guts. Babies. What's up? Still, like, bro, today I woke up and I went downstairs and I looked at it and I was like, oh my god, it's real. Like, I swear it felt like a dream.
What the fuck,
I slept
dude?
for like 2 hours last night because I just wanted to wake up and drive so bad. Buckle up, bro. Let's go.
I'm scared.
Let's go on a quick tour.
I don't believe you.
I don't believe me.
What if Hicks is throwing this huge prank on me?
No.
Hey, the car looks good though with the chrome wheels.
It looks fucking sick.
I'm about to steal that
The car
guy's.
sounds great too.
I've never been in a R8.
No?
No.
Oh, it's pretty much.
Or a V10. Actually, I've been in a Huracan, but like literally up the street and back and everything. Dude, there's no way. Fuck no. Bro, you're gonna get in so much trouble.
I know.
You're over here revving it in the middle of downtown.
I know. Dude, yeah. I'm surprised I haven't been pulled over yet.
Dude, I'm not even kidding. That shit legit hurts my stomach. What the fuck?
Bro, it's so fast.
You can't even talk, bro, when it's happening. I can't talk. Sick ass move.
Big ass move. Get it, bro.
What the fuck?
Enjoy the Explorer.
That is a huge map. I think the Huracan has that dash, bro.
You gotta get it. You gotta get the Huracan. It's only
Imagine we got a Huracan and an R8.
Damn. He's smoking me right now, bro. He's pounding.
Bro, I feel like everybody wants to race when you have this car.
Oh shit. Is this too late still? I just wanted to make sure that.
I know. No!
Yes!
Bro, I don't think I could have one of these, dude.
You would probably go crazy. Knowing how you like to drive.
Oh, dude, that thing was fun. It's scary though. I don't know how to put this.
Foot on the brake and then start stop button on the steering wheel. Yep. Yeah. Rev it. FindingNick. Yeah, boy. FindingNick in an R8. You like that?
I'll get pulled over, dude. I swear.
Next video, we're going to San Bernardino. Nick drives the R8.
Crashes on
No, no.
I'm kidding. Bro, it's so sexy. You don't even need to do nothing to it.
I'm probably the bummiest dude who will ever have this car. I wear this every day.
Fuck it.
Big boy version.
Damn, we got so much carbon fiber on this thing. The mirrors too? Nick's about to get all the chicas. All the girls, bro.
I'll get at least one, man.
Look at this shit. We out. We'll probably see him later on. Dude, I can't believe that. Well, that was sick. I really wanted to just stop by, say what's up to Hicks, check out his new car. I can't even believe he got that, guys. We took a little test drive in it. I'm in this little baby V8 now. I need a V10, dude. Bro, now that Hicks got that, it's really making me want to go get a GTR, guys, or something on that kind of level, you know, like supercar-ish. I kind of want to upgrade to like a GTR, guys. So comment down below your thoughts. What should I do? Should I sell the E92 and get a GTR? Because I could legit sell this car and put it as a down payment onto a GTR, which would be super sick. We could have a GTR on the channel. We could go smoke Hicks. Again, congrats to Hicks, because that's freaking insane. Everyone go to Hicks' channel and smash the subscribe button, because there's probably gonna be a lot of R8 content on this channel, and I'm sure you guys are gonna enjoy that. To the BMW dealership, actually, in the E92. Today I'm taking this car in because there's a few things that need to get fixed. I guess there's like an airbag recall or something like that, and there's also some other recalls. A lot of you guys that have an E92 as well probably know exactly what I'm talking about, but I've been getting like letters in the mail back to back to back from BMW telling me that the airbags are like really dangerous and there's a big recall on them. Fun fact though is I've never taken the E92 to the dealer after I modified it. Like, so I can't wait to see their reaction to like the roll cage, to the air suspension, to the headlights, to the wheels, all the stuff I've done to the car. I literally have never taken a modified car to a dealer, so we'll see what they think and what they say. Before we get too far into the video, make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. There's a lot of people that aren't subscribed to the channel. I can see like how much a percentage, and there's like a 60% of people that watch my videos and aren't even subscribed. So scroll down below, make sure you guys are subscribed, hit the subscribe button, and thank you so much. I appreciate it. It really means a lot. We're almost at 100,000 subscribers, and I want to hit it by the end of the year. So please and thank you. Okay guys, we're pulling up right now. I'm actually very, very scared to drop my car off. I'm probably gonna be the loudest BMW they've had here. You guys have heard how loud this straight pipe is. It's so freaking loud. I've never been to this dealer, so we'll see how it is. M2? I actually don't know where to go, guys. I've never done this before. I'm thinking service, but it looks like they're all closed. A lot of BMWs though. Damn. And it's pretty funny coming to the dealer because they never really see modified cars, and they also never see young kids, and they don't take me seriously unless I pull up in this, so it's pretty funny. I'm so dumb, guys. I thought the doors were closed, but they told me if you just pull up to them, it'll open up. So let's see. Please pull slowly. Oh my god, that's kind of crazy. Oh my god, we're about to get so much looks. That's turn. It's so loud in here. Oh shit. It's so freaking loud in here. We made it to the showroom. Guys, it was so funny. Like, I didn't expect that many people to be in there, but right when we pulled into that gate, I don't know if you guys saw, because I put the camera down, but there's a whole desk full of people, like 20 people. And they were literally law looking because the car was so loud in there. This one's sick. I don't even know what it is. M850, what? I don't think I've ever seen one of these in my life. It's so weird vlogging in these things because it's so quiet and everyone's looking. M2 competition. How much are these? $68,000 for this little car? Hell no. Guys, low-key, the new BMWs are very expensive. I think I'd rather get a GTR, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. M4? I think there's M4 CS. This is the only thing I think the money's worth. The CS. Yep, that shit's hard. Look guys, there it is. It's so loud.
I love it, man.
I wish I recorded it starting up in there, but I missed it. It has to be the loudest car they've ever had here. It's so loud.
2,000 years later.
I hear it. It's back, guys. Literally over 3 hours at this freaking dealership. I'll tell you guys right now. All right, we're out. Finally. So guys, the plan was to come here, drop my car off, get a loaner car, and then so I can leave, go do some errands that I have to do. Maybe even stop at 412, do the things that I said I had to do. But then it turns out that they wouldn't let me borrow a car. Like usually when you drop off a car at the dealer, you'll get a loaner car. I remember when I first bought my car like 3 years ago, I dropped it off to get maintenance and everything. They gave me a loaner car and I had it for like a day. So that's what I thought was gonna happen. But when I dropped my car off, I was talking to them and they wouldn't let me borrow a car because they said I was not of age. I think you had to be like 25 years old or something like that, which I think is kind of BS. Like, yes, I'm 22, but bro, I got 3 M3s. I think I can handle your 328 you're gonna let me borrow. But they wouldn't let me. Like, I literally fought for it. I tried, and they would not let me borrow a car. So I literally sat at the dealer for over 3 hours, and I'm finally out. Oh my God. And I was bugging them like crazy too. But I guess we got a new airbag. This does feel kind of new. I think it is new. So we got a new airbag because it was like an airbag recall. And then I think they did like a wiring recall. I forgot what other stuff. I have like the papers. It was a driver's side airbag recall, blower motor wire recall, and then positive wire battery recall or whatever that is. I don't even know what this stuff is, but we got it done. All the recalls are done.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting